Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel once again. My name is eveextra. If you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you for joining me. We are still on our journey of taking charge over our own health. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe right below and also give your girl a thumbs up to give me some encouragement. So today's video, I have something special for the men. And if you're a lady and you find yourself here, I know you are going to need this for your man, so kindly watch this video till the end. I call this manpower combo. This tackles those who have poor erector problems and can't perform well in the other room or does not last longer the way it should. Then secondly, this combo has no side effects because it is a natural remedy, but it's going to take a little bit time before you start seeing results compared to the English drugs. The English drugs, after taking it you see temporary benefits but has side effects. But you see this combo, it has no side effect and it will take a little bit time before you start seeing results. But also you have to be consistent with it. Yes, you have to be consistent with it to see an effective result. Yeah, so all you need is 2 bulb of onions, you need your ginger, and what you're going to do is to wash your onions very well, wash your ginger very well. Don't peel off the outer skin of the onions and the ginger, just wash it very well, then cut it into smaller pieces or your desired sizes. Then you will need a very hot water. Boil your hot water very well. And for this combo, you will need a bottle, not a rubber, because the hot water may melt or dissolve your rubber, so you need a bottle for it. And if you're a lady and you're making this for your man, you may not actually tell him that okay, this combo is a manpower, so you will do well in the other room, so that he may not feel shy. Yes, just prepare the combo. After preparing it, you'll be like, I have something, I have a juice for you. Then you'll be giving him. And if he is allergic to raw onions or is allergic to ginger, don't worry, there is another combo loading. Just all you need is to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of our future video when we upload. Because if you as a man, you are allergic to raw onions or you are allergic to ginger, you can't take this combo. Don't worry, another one is loading, just stay tuned. So after cutting your onions and your ginger into smaller pieces, put it inside your container, then pour in your hot water, your very hot water, cover it and allow it to stay for like 2 hours plus before you start taking it. You'll be taking it half glass cup in the morning and glass cup after having your dinner. Be consistent with it and you will see results. So guys, to encourage your girl to do more, just comment on the comments below, like this video, and that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video.